The Justice Department filed a motion to dissolve a restraining order preventing the Trump administration from blocking Medicaid funds for Planned Parenthood clinics as mandated by the GOP megabill. The motion intensifies the legal conflict following Massachusetts Judge Indira Talwani's decision to grant Planned Parenthood's request for a temporary restraining order of the provision defunding abortion providers. Chad Mizell, chief of staff at the DOJ, announced his department's position, calling the temporary injunction on the defunding legislation lawless. The DOJ's motion went on to emphasize that the law was approved by Congress and signed by the president barely a week ago, and called the temporary restraining order extraordinary and highly unusual. Federal funds are already prohibited from directly covering abortion procedures per the Hyde Amendment. But anti-abortion advocates argue that any funding given to health centers that provide elective abortions indirectly subsidizes abortions due to the fungibility of money. Planned Parenthood argues in its lawsuit asking for the injunction that the law violates members' constitutional right to free association under the First Amendment and equal protection under the Fifth Amendment. According to Planned Parenthood's 2023-2024 fiscal report, more than $792 million of its funding was from government reimbursements and grants, representing roughly 44% of its annual operating budget. Much of that reimbursement comes from Medicaid. The Supreme Court last month delivered a blow to Planned Parenthood in a similar issue in a case regarding whether states could prohibit their portion of the Medicaid budget from reimbursing abortion providers for non-abortion procedures or treatments. The High Court ruled in a 6-3 decision that Planned Parenthood and its patients were not able to sue with the hope of overturning South Carolina's law prohibiting state Medicaid dollars from reimbursing abortion providers.